blogging as a profitable online business for you to consider in 2019, and this is what it means if you want to get involved. So stay tuned after this and I'll see you when we get back. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Welcome back. So I've got some years here of when the first email was sent. So what do you think it was? Was it in 1985, 1971 or 1992? Put the answer in the comments below. Let's see if you can get this right. Ready? Okay, have you got it now down? Yeah? Okay, so it is 1971. Even though we don't feel like we've been living in the online world since 1971, but it has been around for, I was quite surprised by this fact, quite a while. So, and if you're not online, the way I see it is that whether we like it or not, we have to be moving online at some point soon. My little one is 3.5, and by the time he's 18, no doubt, everything will change in the working lifestyle that we lead right now to what it might be then. So yes, anyway, so this is all about blogging. Blogging for me is something I enjoy doing. I never thought I would actually, but I love blogging, and I'm going to give you 3 points which give you an insight as to what it's actually involved, what's actually involved when it comes to blogging as an online profitable business for 2019. So you would need a website because you would need somewhere to host your blogs, and I spoke about websites briefly in another video, so I'll leave the link to that video in the description below. But basically you would need to look at a blog as a brick, okay? You are wanting to build a house, and in order to do that you would need to lay down the foundations of a house. And building a brick, or laying down one brick at a time, would help you build the strong foundations to then place your windows, your door and your roof on top, to then build your lovely grand mansion, your empire. And this is the way I see it when it comes to building your online bricks, i.e. blogs online, in order to build your business empire. It all starts with blogging. So I encourage my clients to be blogging every single day. And if you can't manage that, absolutely fine. But it's all about working on things that are income producing activities for you. So things that are going to be making you money, and you got to think in the long term, as a long game. So blogging for me is an essential part of online business, and you can make a lot of money from blogging. And there are many people out there and in my circle of friends that have done so well when it comes to blogging. So it's all about that one blog a day if you can. But if you can't do one blog a day because right now you're too busy, because the reason why it takes time to set up an online business, whether it's through blogging or affiliate marketing or coaching as an example, is because it takes time to reshuffle your life and reprioritize. If you want to make room for an online business because you want the freedom and the flexibility, you have to really say no to things. You have to really cut down on other areas. You're going to have to, dedicate your evenings to your online business and weekends, that sort of thing. So yeah, you want to be building your way up essentially to one blog a day. So 1 times 1 blog a day. And it leads on to the second point of what it means to have a blogging business, is that you need to be able to love what you do, what you're selling, in order to include the affiliate links in the blog. But when you're writing about something you are passionate about, it just flows a lot easier onto the paper. When you're trying to blog about something that you don't know too much about, or you have no interest in, you're going to find writer's block like all the time on a daily basis, and it's just going to make it difficult. So, but if you're just there and you are in a very structured way. Obviously there's obviously very, you know, a strong structure to blogging, but if you're writing about something that you enjoy or that you love consuming or you love using, depending on your service and the product that you're blogging about, then it's just going to come really easy and a lot more natural to you. So yeah, I always think it's very good to be doing something that you love and enjoy. And the third point is I always invest in shortcuts. Always do things that you enjoy doing initially, but if there are other things that you want to look into because you haven't got too much you know, knowledge or expertise, then I always think it's always good to invest into programs. Now, I am an affiliate for SFM, Six Figure Mentors, and they helped me into the online world. First of all, 4 years ago it was, and I had a bit of a 4-year gap because at the time I was pregnant with my little one, and I had my third indoor cycling studio as well, so things got a little bit hectic. I was nesting and busy with the business. But yeah, SFM I would highly recommend because they showed me everything that I am telling you in these videos today. It's a great academy, and I learned so much about blogging. They actually transformed my way of thinking, and I never thought about blogging before. I'm not so much into writing. I mean, I can write, and I obviously you know, do see the benefits of blogging, but I never thought that blogging would be my thing. But once I got into it, due to the training that SFM gave me, I think it's amazing. I blog now every day, and I actually look forward to blogging every day. Now that I've reshuffled my life to allocate time for blogging, and I'm now in flow, and I get a little bit annoyed with myself if I haven't got the time to finish off my blog for that day. But yeah, have a look at SFM. It will give you good insight into my journey when I first started into the blogging world. And by using the affiliate link, it will take you through to a 3-part on-demand workshop by Stuart Ross, who's one of my first mentors into the online journey. And you can, if you understand it's going to be the long game, like it's not going to be an overnight thing, but if you can really get into the flow of blogging, then boy, it can become a very, very profitable online business, and especially if you are considering that in 2019. So here we are, stick with me. I'm going to be sending you other daily videos, and here to help. Alright guys, have a good time, bye! Good time whatever you're doing. Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.